All right, you've made it through the process. You've had all these calls with the brand. You've done validation, and you're now being invited to confirmation day, discovery day, whatever the brand tends to call it. All right. Truly, it's a confirmation day. You're coming up on the end. You're going to start meeting face to face with the founders, with the management team, with your support team at the franchise corporation. Couple things to keep in mind. Don't save the tough questions for the conference table. If you have big questions that need to be answered, we want them answered well before you spend money to get on a plane and fly out and try to catch them in something. Just get that out of the way. This is confirmation. This is basically saying, okay, we've been dating for a while. Do we want to get engaged, right? Do we want to spend the next 10 years franchise agreement, right, with these people? Are they similar in culture? Do we see the support that we're going to get from the team that's put out in front of us? Do we feel confident that we can fill in the pieces that possibly this team, we might say, hey, there's some holes. Maybe I'm not crazy about their technology, but it's on the horizon. I see where they're going. I want to lock arms with this business. These are the kind of things you're evaluating when you go to confirmation day. Another thing to keep in mind, they're going to want an answer, yes or no, within usually a week, sometimes a couple of weeks. I know that can feel like pressure, but when you think about it, you're about to be a business owner. You're about to be asked to make big decisions based on education and based on everything you've learned. So please don't go to a discovery day thinking you're still shopping. This is now a confirmation day. You need to be able to make a decision pretty soon after this. So just keep that in mind as you're truly evaluating if this is going to be the best business for you.